So yeah, good morning YouTube. Today internet seems slightly better. I won't repeat myself every day, but yeah, you guys, I'm just dealing with internet issues. Everyone in UAE is at the moment. So yeah, Tesla, I'm watching for intraday later in the day price action. MU is gapping up and gapping up a lot, 5.6% gap up. Can watch near 150 zone. Then I'm watching Oracle on the sidelines. Had a crazy move yesterday. I caught a nice trade on it. But yeah, off the open, no trades on it. If it sets up nicely intraday, then yes. And then NVDA is something that we had a doji yesterday. It's above R3. So yeah, I can go for 180. But yeah. Can watch that as well. But I don't trust NVIDIA a lot. That's the thing. But yeah, technically it still looks decent on the 1 hour chart and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna watch it on the sides. But I think off the open, MU is gonna be my main watch, and then NVIDIA, Oracle, sorry, not Circle, and Tesla can remain on the sidelines. So yeah, I'm gonna just pause this video now. Hopefully the internet is good, and I'm gonna start the recording again around 9:29. About to open, 30 seconds to go. NVIDIA is actually seeing some nice push. It's on my second chart layout, but it's actually near 180 already. Gonna prepare my safety order if I take it. Yeah, MU is... The thing is, I'm just scared to take a position right off the open because of my internet. Otherwise, I would have entered this. That's pretty nice. Not the best fill in the world, but let's see. It's small size, not a big size. But yeah, thankfully internet is much better today. MU is going for 150. Nice. Nice. Size was also not that big. Let's keep holding. Let's see. The premiums moved 100% approximately. What the hell? Still don't have any reason to exit, to be honest. Let's keep on holding this shit. Yeah, officially 100% approximately. Damn. Damn, son. Damn, son. I wish I sized up on it. What the fuck? Damn. I'm gonna lock in because this is getting into squeeze territory, and whenever the confidence is really high, usually it's followed by a big red candle. But yeah, crazy. I only took like 50 contracts. I was expecting to make like, say, 500. Not like 500, but maybe $3,000. That's the beauty of trading options. Who wants a funded account if you can make 100% with options? All these funded accounts, they're going to be like, I have a $1.5 million funded account. Doesn't matter because your stop loss is like $5,000 a day. So you can't risk 1.5 million. So what the fuck? Like, this is just clickbait, right? I am $1.5 million funded account with a stop loss of $5,000. So you have a $5,000 account. Damn, son. This was crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy. Hmm. Freaking 250% winner. We just closed the first 5 minutes candle. It's crazy, 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 insane, insanity. Insanity. Yeah, my platforms are freezing. Guys, I need a new laptop, but they might not release the M5 Max this year. And even if they release it, the main upgrade is going to be next year. But I can't trade like this. Like, my platforms are lagging. My internet is lagging. I'm handicapped. My platforms are lagging because I'm recording this video as well. So yeah, it doesn't lag if I don't record the video. So that's why I'm recording these videos for you guys, right? Real-time execution. So you have to like this video. If you don't, it's just like bad karma, right? You won't be able to catch rate like these if you don't like the video, because I'm doing something good for you guys. You have to do something good in return. That's how the world works, right? So that's how you get the good karma. Like this video, comment down below, share this video, because people are watching. Like, the likes are like 5 to 10% on the videos. You guys are just watching the videos, not liking, which is, I want something in return, right? AdSense doesn't pay for shit. I pay more in commissions in one day on one trade than I get from AdSense in a month. So you have to like this video. I think might be extended move. I'm only holding 5 contracts now, but yeah, nothing else actually looks good. Yep, still holding 5 contracts, but nice. I don't know how much PNL it's gonna be 10,000, right? More than 10,000 easily, because my investment was $10,000. Crazy, crazy shit. Now it's slightly lagging, my internet, or it's my platform. I don't know. Yeah, 155. Straight up. What's the all-time high? All-time high is like 157.54. Honestly, I wanted to take another position on it, add to my position, because my internet is actually working fine. I have reduced my size even yesterday because my internet hasn't been working fine. Today it's the first day out of this week, honestly, when the internet is actually fine. But I was not aware of that, so I can't risk it with like 500 contracts on MU. Not 500. I wouldn't have taken like 500 because MU is like a stock I don't trade often, but I would have definitely taken like 150, maybe 200. 200, yeah. Should have, would have, could have. $2 to $6, 300%. How? It's a matrix. 300% plus. How can this happen? I was not expecting it. It's happening right in front of you. I was not expecting this. I think it's gonna go for all-time high, guys. It's like 157.54 is the all-time high. $2 away from the high of the day. I might lock in this position. Oh no, I'm gonna, because that like 150 calls are like in the money. I think, yeah, 155 can be a good add if we see a nice pullback. But a part of me just wants to lock in this position and use the profits from this position, because it's like 5 contracts are like $2,000 up now. $2 to $6, $400 a contract, 5 contracts, $2,000. So I can risk the $2,000 by locking in this position to take another position. That is what I'm thinking at the moment. Damn, yeah, this is crazy. I might actually call it. It's been a shitty week for me because of internet. Frustrating week, not like shitty week, just frustrating week. Finally, I got a nice rate like this. Just take it and leave it. $10,000 investment. I don't know what my PNL is. I can't keep a track of my PNL, but whatever it is, just remember that it was with an investment of $10,000. You have to remember that. Before you go for this funded accounts garbage, just remember that this was with an investment of $10,000. Honestly, with the $3,000 investment, you could have made $10,000 in theory. 300% winner. I don't think so anyone shows this in real time like I'm showing you guys and holding my window. I'm only holding 5 contracts, but I'm holding. So I'm going to take 2 more out right here. Maybe 1 more out. Maybe 2 more out and just get done. Yeah, it's going for all-time high, but so I'm just gonna not care about these 2 contracts now, and I'm gonna look for my ads if we get a good pullback, because all-time high is like $1 away from the current price. So feels like it's gonna go for that all-time high squeeze. 157.54 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 157.54 is the all-time high. But I want a decent pullback. In my head, I'm like, I'm not even thinking about these 2 contracts now, right? I locked in 3, so yeah, 2 contracts, fuck them. But look for ads, and I think 160 or 155. 160 is like 2 out the money because it's a Thursday. 160 is like kind of lotto play. But can do. Honestly, they are moving decent. I'm gonna have both the safety orders ready just in case. Let's see if we get a good pullback and good buying signal on the book map. $155 has a buyer, but I don't trust this one buyer after such an extended move like this. I want to see like a flush down and then getting bought back up. Something like that. Yeah, so now we are flushing because usually it's like the move upside is not healthy. So I don't want just a small pullback. I want a big pullback. The upside move was like a squeeze move. So I want to see like the shorts getting trapped here, people who are shorting it. If they don't get trapped, I'm going to exit my 2 contracts. But I want to see, yeah, we are seeing some new buyers near here, 154. Yeah, a lot of buyers between 154 and 154.4. Yeah, I took position right here. My stop loss is under 154. Huge buyers between 154 and 154.5. Let's see. Still looks good. It's okay. I can afford it. We just grabbed those buyers for now. I don't want it to close under 154. We might see a dip under 154 as well. I don't want it to close under 154 because that just means that even though the buyers, we saw new buyers, but we are seeing new sellers as well. And they are stronger than the buyers. Actually, we have a doji on the 5-minute chart just before the all-time highs. That is pretty shit. Now, if we get bought back up aggressively, I'm going to hold. Otherwise, I'm going to exit. Just going to wait for this one candle. If these buyers near 154, they happen to come back again, then it's a yes trade for me. Otherwise, a no trade for me. Is it going to get rejected $1 before all-time high? I think it wants all-time high. Yeah, the panic is not coming in, guys. The tape is still bullish. Another big buyer. I can show you on the I'm going to show you later. So on the book map, we had these buyers. Now we had this buyer again. So there are new buyers coming into the picture, especially for a stock that is so extended. So it's kind of positive, but if we see more sellers than the buyers, it's still going to go down. So this just gives me confidence, but it's not like 100% it's going to go towards the upside. It's just giving me confidence to hold maybe slightly longer than I would have. So I don't know what this wick is. This is a misprint. I can't see it on the book map. So yeah, might just be a fake shit. Can even see it on TradingView. But weird. That buyer actually got taken out. So that is not good. Still seeing new buyers here. And if it doesn't push up now, I'm going to exit. That's for sure. So after a big push up like this, the first pullback usually gets bought back up. That's my experience. Again, every stock is different. Every market is different. Yeah, new buyers are coming in. Like I'm fairly confident with this trade. If not, I'm going to take my loss. The premiums are dropping a lot in value because I'm very out the money. That's why I said 160 calls. If we hold above 154, guys, it's going to give the confidence for the buyers. If we don't hold above 154, that's a negative sign. Because if it pushes up now, it's going to be again like a squeeze move. And I want that squeeze to happen. The longer it waits, the shittier it's going to be. That means that's the end of the move. 144 is seeing repeated sellers, refreshing offers. So yeah, that is no good. That's why I said 154 is seeing the fight. 154 is seeing the fight. That's why we want to hold above 154. Otherwise, the shit is done. Yeah. Kind of holding 154. 5 minutes still looks decent. But yeah, still not getting that confidence above 154. The premiums dropped a lot in value. That should have been my entry. But if the pump starts to kick in again, they're also gonna pump a lot in value. So it's okay. But nah, the premiums are actually, my entry was here and the exit is almost the same and the premiums keep dropping in value. I think I'm gonna exit. Yeah. There's no point holding. Yep, done for the day. Let's take a look at my P&L. I think I lost $5,000 on that. So yeah, could have been like a 5-figure day, but 8,500, which is okay. Honestly, I don't blame myself for taking that entry. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna keep it short. So if you guys like this video, again, as I said, if you guys are watching this video, if you guys are getting getting experience, getting knowledge, getting real-time knowledge and experience, like this is just like going to your lab in high school, right? Practical knowledge. If you're gaining anything, just like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel for a lot more videos like these and other videos as well, like day in the life and everything like that. And I think I'm getting better at recording these kind of videos. The first week was pretty rough for me because I was constantly thinking about what I want to say and everything, but now it's just like pretty easy. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. So guys, this is insane. I already recorded the live trading video and I took then I'm holding Tesla. I entered Tesla right here, was looking good on the daily chart. I was not expecting it to push up today itself. I took a position, added to my position right here, and now just holding to see what happens on the higher time frames. This can easily go above 360 if we break the high of Monday, which is 358.44. yeah, it can go big time. At the moment, I'm holding my whole position. I've been holding for the past 10 minutes, 150 contracts. So it's not like a small position. That's why I wanted to make this video, just to show you guys how, and not a pro trader, how an experienced trader holds his winners. At the moment, no reason to exit. And after that live trading, I took like break even trade on Oracle. But before that, MU I discussed in the live trading. MU Oracle, I made like $400 on it or whatever. But yeah. R6 is a squeeze level. So if we break and hold above R6, that's nice. Otherwise, I'm going to lock in a bit of my position. Difficult hold, definitely, especially when you are in this much unrealized gains. I know R6 can reject, but yeah, it's a weekly range breakout, guys. I'm expecting, like, if we squeeze above R6, the risk to reward is worth it. But yeah, I'm gonna lock in a bit of, at the moment, technically, we haven't even seen a one red bar on the 1 minute chart. So the only reason I have to exit at the moment is locking in profits. So at the moment, I don't want to lock in profits. I'm looking for a big push. Yeah, I don't want to see uncertainty before R6, guys. That is the thing. It's the rejection level. And if we hold above R6, this stock can, yeah, blow past the ATR for the day. Rejection. Small pullback is expected, guys. Tesla is not like a stock like Oracle with hot news catalyst or something. This is just moving independent of any sort of special news catalyst for the day with increase in volume. So red candles on low volume, it's actually good. It's good for the price action. This is healthy. We are seeing a healthy pullback. We want more participation from the buyers. Honestly, guys, I'm going to minimize my platform because if I look at the premiums, it's not good. I will just start calculating my unrealized gains or whatever. So it doesn't help even if you're in a winning trade or a losing trade, doesn't help. I think my trailing stop loss is going to be like, I don't want it to hold under 358. If it comes under 358, I don't blame it, but I don't want it to hold under 358 because I want this first pullback to get bought back up. Otherwise, this R6 might just be a rejection level. This is the first pullback, so hopefully we don't see fake outs. Right now the buyers are going to enter who missed out on this push up, so we don't want to see a fake out of those buyers. We don't want to see shorts kick in right here. Hmm. 359 has a big order. Yeah, kind of expected, guys. This is a if you look at the weekly chart, it's a weekly breakout, right? So expected. Whatever is happening is expected. Huge sellers and huge buyers here, so expected. Yeah, I hope this drop gets bought back up. But hope doesn't pay. At the moment, it still looks like a pullback on the 5 and the 1 minute chart. So I'm willing to hold through a pullback. Completely normal. And especially this 5 minutes red candle might be on low volume. So it's actually good if we close like a low volume 5 minutes red candle. I don't want it to pull back all the way here. That would have been another story if, like, say I exited a bit of my position right here, then I can hold through a big pullback. But holding my whole position through this kind of pullback, It's not the best thing in the world. That's why I don't want it to pull back all the way here. But a small 5 minutes red candle on low volume, it's good. Push up on high volume, red candle on low volume for another push towards the upside. That's the basics of price action. So 359, it has to reclaim back above 359. Yeah, the 5 minutes candle closed. It might make a new 5 minutes low. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Best case scenario doesn't make a new 5 minutes low, and if it makes a new 5 minutes low, I want to see what happens with the tape there. Are we seeing these buyers who entered right here getting stopped out? Are we seeing panic? If that happens, I'm gonna exit. If not, I'm gonna keep holding, because at the moment it's not defying the laws of price action. It's doing what price action should do, what good price action should do. Yeah, 359 ain't breaking. I thought it would. I was expecting it to break on the last candle. Looked like it's gonna break, but apparently not. Yeah, this ain't good. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's definitely not good for my unrealized gains. Yeah, I don't think so. It's gonna go. R6 was the rejection level. Yeah, I should have taken profits there, but it's okay. So I'm kind of making this flag, small flag. Yeah, so if it breaks under this, I'm done. Gonna exit. That's for sure. That's my trailing stop break of this flag. Not a big fan of this 1 minute flag, but I don't want to give it room until 356.34. That's too much. That's gonna be pretty shitty. QQ is going for high of the day. Kind of should help. Tesla has a brain of its own. When it gets the volume like this, like the way it's getting at the moment, it has a brain of its own. Honestly, if I had a good entry right here, I would have swung my contracts as well. Looks like it's gonna gap up tomorrow above 360. 5 minutes candle close, another 5 minutes candle on low volume. Yeah, so definitely don't want it to make another 5 minutes low. But like, I wish my entry was say near 352. So like, you can swing a bit of your position, maybe swing 50% of your position. These are the trades to swing on, because weekly, monthly chart breakout, have a trailing stop loss obviously. Yeah, looks like we are going for this bull flag break. If we break it, nice. If we don't, I'm gonna exit the fuck out. At the moment, the 5 minute chart, red candles on low volume, looks good. I was about to exit, but thankfully I did not. The weak hands, they exited. But I don't want to be a crazy smart ass who just holds, and then these weak ass traders, and then I get stopped out again. Yeah, we had an increase in volume on this candle, so now is the time. Now is the time. Should go. If it doesn't, then that's some crazy selling near 359. I think if I lock in a bit of my position, if you don't hold, it's going to give me a bit more leverage to kind of trail my stop loss for the remaining position. So that's what I'm going to do. If we reject again, and if we come back under 358, we did come back under 358. I don't mean like literally come back under 358. I am a tape reader as well, so I want to see tape near 358. So whenever I say 358, it's not like I'm sitting at 358. I want to see what happens near 358. That is the beauty of tape reading. Looking here, because camera is here, bookmap is here, and my DAS is here. You guys can see DAS. I'm looking at the bookmap as well to see where the big orders are actually flowing through. Yeah, a lot of uncertainty. I don't want this. I don't want this. A lot of uncertainty. Hesitating a lot. Yeah, like the tape. I like the tape. Difficult hold. Tesla is usually not such a difficult, grindy mover. So that's why I don't like this hesitation. I don't know, volume just nosedived. Like we saw an increase in volume, but I want to see an increase again when it's going towards the upside. That's the thing, it's not increasing. Like we need a lot of volume for this stock to go for 360, but we are not seeing that. Yeah, this is the tape we want to see continuously for the next few candles. That increase in speed of the tape. But yeah, not happening. Yeah, this is boring. I'm going to pause this video, guys, and I'm going to resume it once I take my profits, exit the position or whatever. This is boring, just waiting and watching. I think this is going to be do or die for it because the last 1 minute candle had barely any volume. This was nothing. So this is going to be do or die for it. So if we lose this low, I'm going to exit. And if we push up, I'm going to keep holding. Resuming the recording because this is the increase in the tape speed we want to see, but we want to see green high volume, and that's what you can see from the time and sales as well. The speed of the time and sales is directly proportional to the volume you're going to see on that candle, because you can't know how much volume this candle is going to have or is going to get until the candle closes. But with the help of the time and sales speed, you can predict that this candle is going to have high volume. I know that because we are seeing a lot of orders flowing through in the market. A lot of big orders as well. So I have a filter right here. So this candle is going to have high volume. So I want this candle to close like a strong green candle. The previous 5 minutes high was 357.35. Okay. No, 357? 358.88. Sorry. Yeah. We actually made we haven't made a new 5 minutes high in the past 3 candles. So now we are going to make it, I think. Yeah. So now we are making it. If it actually works out, guys, I deserve a subscribe and share. If it actually works out, because I definitely gained a few gray hair on this trade. But if it works out, like this video, guys, because I'm going gray because of you guys, for you guys. Relief. Relief. Yeah, we are above R6 now. We are in business. A lot of consolidation. And I just want this 5 minutes to close above R6. We still have 4 minutes to go. But yeah, I think, if we see any sort of rejection, I think I'm going to lock in a bit of my position here. And if we don't see rejection, this might be the start of something big. As moved more than the ATR already for the day. That's another thing. 359.95 is the high of the day. Doesn't... Come on, 360. Like usually if you reject like 0.05, 0.5, 0.2 cents before a major psychological level, that's a negative sign. Like, why did it reject from 359.95? I mean, why not just go for 360? Other times it's actually good that, okay, it's holding. It grabs the buyers and then pushes up. It's actually a good day for my long-term portfolio as well. I have been building a strong position on Tesla in my long-term portfolio. from 300 dip. I started that position on 1st of August actually, so I can show you. On 1st of August, when we tried to break down under 300, I caught this trade downside, but then I did not see any selling near 300. So that's another kind of beauty of day trading. Because I saw that, okay, 300 is holding, we had this trend line, I was like, okay, this is going to be the low, swing low maybe. So I added with shares. I have a decent size position for my long term as well. In my long term portfolio, that's another portfolio. But good day for that day. If we actually break above 360, it's going to be a good day for that. At the moment, still rejecting R6. This level is crazy. Come on, give me some sort of reward for holding this trade. I could have exited this like 15 minutes ago for the same premiums. So give me some sort of reward. Come on, go for 360. Yeah, the 5 minutes is going to close under 360. Yeah, I'm going to exit 50 and the remaining 100 as well if you don't bounce. Yeah, I could have exited the 50 contracts at say 1028 for almost the same premium, so maybe even higher premiums, because after that squeeze push up, the premiums jack up a lot in value. Ah, 1 minute to go on the 5 minutes. This 5 minutes might actually close under 360. No. I'm actually frustrated now. I just want to fucking exit. It's like my head hurts. I can't even play any music because I'm going to get like copyright claims. Usually I listen to music. So for you guys, I'm just like not listening to music as well, because then the mic is going to grab the music and then I'm going to get copyright claims. I want some Drake going on at the moment. What did I miss? I want that. I want some Drake or Fred again, something like that. That helps me actually hold on to the trade, right? It's like YOLO. You only live once. Lotto, YOLO, whatever you can call it. But music actually helps me. At the moment, the music is actually playing. You guys can see F1, right? You can see it's too bright, but yeah, you can see my dog. But yeah, F1 album is playing. What the hell is... No. It broke 360. Why did I take 50 contracts? See? It actually closed above R6 on the 5 minute. Oh, crazy drop. Such an underwhelming break of 360. I think it can still go. It was just a grab of the seller. Sometimes same thing happened with, I remember with NVDA, when it made a new all-time high. We saw doji. I exited and then it rallied. That's the importance of journaling your trades, because if it breaks a major level, we can see some crazy shit on the 1 minute chart. Just don't get faked out. But it might actually be a rejection from R6 as well. So come on, man. It's not rewarding me for holding my trade. That's why I'm so pissed. Yep, garbage. Okay, let's take a look at my PNL now. 30K. Made 21,000 on this Tesla trade. Not bad. Like the premiums went to like $4, but yeah, 360 break was very underwhelming. So yeah, another PNL in this video. I actually uploaded, you know what happened? So I took my MU trade, I uploaded that video. That was on upload on YouTube. Then I took Circle, which was like $400, right? Then I caught this Tesla. So I will have to merge these two recordings now, delete the video I uploaded on YouTube. You guys won't see it in the back end, but I have to do it in the front. You guys won't see it in the front end, but I will have to do it in the back end, right? So I will have to delete that video, merge this video, upload this video, do the title, everything again. But yeah, guys, the the one thing you can do, the least you can do is like this video and share it, right? This is the reality of trading that I'm showing in front of you. No funded accounts. As I mentioned, no $1.5 million funded account with a $5,000 stop loss, right? At the end of the day, that means you have a $5,000 account. I don't know how it works. I'm just giving you guys an example, right? It's not like literally $5,000, but giving you an example. Having $1 million funded accounts doesn't mean shit if your stop loss is like, say, $5,000. Again, I don't know how it works, but whatever your stop loss is, that is your account size basically, right? So because like with my options, if I have a 10K account, I can lose the whole 10K. So that is my stop loss, right? So yeah. But yeah, that is trading with your own money. If you have 20K, you can lose 20K on one trade, right? So that is your realistic stop loss, but that should not be your stop loss, but you understand what I mean. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment down below your favorite part about this video, and yeah, just viral this YouTube freaking channel, right? So see you guys in the next one.